Those are by far my favorite. Or she's definitely a Filipino Mariah Carey. Amazing, amazing. Wow, wow, wow. Hey guys, and welcome to Life with Mayor. In today's video, I am listening to another of Morissette's song. She is singing Fly Like a Bird, a cover featuring Kiko, Salazar, and Adonis Tabanda. And this is actually a song by Mariah Carey. Mariah Carey is my absolute favorite singer of all times. I know she's not singing anymore per se, but I mean, all her songs from back in the day, from the 90s, those are by far my favorite. Classic. And you know what? Like I've said it before, she's definitely a Filipino Mariah Carey. She sings amazing. Amazing, amazing. She is becoming a legend. She is definitely one of my favorite female singers to react to and to listen to, because she's so naturally talented, and I love it. And I cannot wait to listen to this. I can't believe I have not listened to it before, but I'm definitely ready right now and I want to react to it. So if you guys want to see me react to this song Fly Like a Bird for the very first time, sung by Morisette, just keep watching.
There's a place up above. Though my heart is struggling, free from all atrocities and suffering, because I feel the unconditional love from one who cares enough for me to erase all my burdens and let me be free to fly like a bird, take to the sky. I need you now, Lord. Carry me high, down like the world. Break me tonight, need the strength of you by my side. Sometimes this life can be so cold. I pray you come and carry me home. How can we recover? Will the world ever be a place of peace and harmony, with no war and with no brutality? If we loved each other, we would find victory. But in this harsh reality, sometimes I'm so despondent that I feel the need to fly like a bird, take to the sky. I need you now, Lord. Carry me high, down like the world. Break me tonight, leave the strength of you by my side. Sometimes this life can be so cold. I pray you'll come and carry me home.
All I gotta say is wow, wow, wow. Started off really slow, really calm. You just start to kind of get warmed up to her voice, warmed up to the song. She sounds amazing. I'm loving the black and white for the video, definitely. The two guys, I think one was playing drums and one was playing the guitar, and their voices kind of coming in the echo and just singing in the background to her sounded really, really nice, especially because her voice is so angelic, so pure, so beautiful and natural. And then they have the kind of deeper voices in the background. As the song went on, you can feel the passion, you can see the intensity of her voice just shining through. She really got into the song. Towards the end, I mean, she just let loose. She was dancing, she was moving around. Her voice hit those real high notes that Mariah Carey hits, and those are hard. I cannot even try. I'm not even ever gonna try. By that point, my voice is already screeching and sounds like a broken record. It sounds so bad. But she hit those notes, and that is not something that is easy to achieve. It was definitely hard. It's hard for most people, but she nailed it. She definitely killed that. She got those notes up high. She was so happy, so playful singing this song. I'm not gonna lie, it's not my favorite Mariah Carey song. I definitely have so many other favorites of hers. I've never heard this one actually, so I'm not sure if it's something new or just something off one of her albums that wasn't that popular back in the day. It was beautiful. Oh my gosh, I loved it. I just couldn't stop smiling throughout the whole thing as well. But guys, I mean, I have listened to quite a few of Morissette's songs. I have reacted to some of them, not all of them. I'm sure there are many more that I have not. So if there are any that maybe you would like me to react to, just please drop it down in the comments below. I'll definitely check it out and see whether I have reacted to it or not. You can also check out my reactions playlist, and there's listed all the reactions that I have done since I've started my YouTube channel. And it'll give you an idea as to which songs I have and haven't reacted to for Morissette. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I hope to see you guys in another video. Take care, guys.